farewell you here before you went north to the States and Canada, not too long ago. And you acquitted yourself well there. But that is only a stepping stone. There's still one more leg for you to fulfill. That's the match in early September against Canada. You know what happened last year against Canada. So you know exactly what you have to do. That is the stepping stone to the World Cup for this team. It's the last match for Canada. It's the last match for Fiji before the World Cup. Our big match is on the 18th, Friday. We all look forward to that. I know you look forward to that. We have all followed the fortunes of this team, your training routine. You've done the hard yards. And if I say that, I say that very sincerely. We've seen it all. We've witnessed. And this is about the best prepared Fiji team we've ever sent abroad.
Please.